So this episode of Craig Does Drift, I was up at Driftland. I didn't have my car along, but I went out for a ride with a few of the guys. First up, I took a ride along with Amjed, and he's got a SR powered thing. He just kind of recently rebuilt his engine. Surprise, SR needed rebuilt, and he was out. The day was soaking wet. So he took me out. He had gauges all over the car, so that was great fun getting a ride along on that. Then there's a guy up with a 1UZ LS400. So because I'm getting a 1UZ in mine, I kind of jumped at the opportunity to try and get along in his car. It was a big, just to see what the 1UZ was like. The LS400 part of it felt like a big boat of a car, but the guy, he's just been really working on his, working on the engine side of it. So got out of that, and then I also went out with Stu from Driftland, and in his pink 328 E36, he had I can't remember the name of the steering setup on it. He also had a bent steering, he bent his tie rod, but we went out with him and he was just on fire. He was just like so much angle, and even with a car that wasn't really performing well. So let's go. I just in backies, aren't you?
almost rotating, but then the front lost grip as well.
That's
Just sort of went, yeah.
Just kind of like you have to kind of bring it back in, eh?
Yeah, it was cool. Lights on. Woo. And they missed each other. Well done, you.
It's been a good shot for you now.
I don't want people to crash. Just come from an SR as well, so for driving over curbs.
Our steering doesn't work when it storms. Have to give it a steady lap to keep it up.
Okay.
But the drag, you feel a little bit of a boost coming, and that's it.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a big slap of turbocharge. It doesn't feel like it's kind of jumping in massively. I was going to try and watch the boost gauge to see when it was coming in. Yeah. Yeah, you feel, yeah, just it.
You know when it's coming in.
Yeah, totally can. Oh, he's letting you past. Oh, good beginner. Almost.
Definitely.
It was solid 90. It's like we were going, the tarmac lines were exactly the same as the side of the car. So wet. on its front tyre when you're looking out through that little fucking window. I'm drenched. Yeah, that was awesome. Back, like, so much fucking angle on that. Your wave, it was totally fast. 90.
You would have thought you were gone.
Yeah?
First bit of booms, you go to the slidey bit of Nico. It just wants to go. Faster. Found grip again. Faster.
That's not holding it! That was awesome, dude. Super awesome.